What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stu. We're back again with another one. As y'all can see by the title, we finally got it in. Finally got it, bro. So we finna break it down right quick. I'm finna give y'all a little open box. But first, I want to show y'all my other camera that I got. Right now, I'm rocking with the A6300, as you can see. And it's a pretty good camera. It's cool. It's just been giving me a lot of issues. As far as like the battery space, you see I got this battery pack just so I could have extended battery life. I don't really have a flip out screen. It's just kind of like, it just tilt really. So I needed something new because this one was giving me trouble, as y'all could tell with the channel. But I'm about to put this one on the tripod right quick and we go get into this. Alright, and don't mind my bed because I just woke up. I was about to clean, you feel me? So I need a knife though. Oh, I got one. Alright, hold on, let me make sure. Okay, yeah, we good. Go ahead, open the box. I don't want to cut too much, you feel me? Matter of fact, I'm going to take this paper out. This is my order form, but I'm not going to cut it. Alright. So when you first open it up, you got all this, all the little bubble wrap to make sure it's safe. Got the, ooh, look at that boy. Sony. I need a thumbnail right quick, hold up. Nah, it's like shit. Let's see. Alright. So it come pretty standard. I thought it would have been two boxes. I thought it would have been the camera and the lens, but it seemed like they put it all into one package. But we're gonna go ahead and open it, see what we get. Let's see. So once you open the box, you're gonna see you obviously get the manual, you get the warranty with it. Let's see, what's this? Yeah, this is the limited warranty. There's just some little manuals, some little books. And you can see they separate the camera and the lens, is what I'm seeing. Oh, and you get another cool little strap. See, I like these. I like using these. Right here, I think this is the battery. Yeah. Battery. And this is what I was really in it for, because these batteries is like twice the size of the other batteries I use for my other camera. So like using one of these is like basically using two of those, and they're not that expensive. They're like 80 bucks. So I might invest into getting another one just for having a backup, you know. You also get, I don't know what this is right here. What is this? Oh, this for the viewfinder. This is a little viewfinder little thing. Yeah. What else we got in here? Oh, this is the camera right here. Let me make sure I'm gentle with this. I really need to get a skin so I can protect it. You see, this is the new camera, the A6700. As you can see, it kind of look like the one I just showed y'all, the one I have already, but it's the same line. It's just a new advanced. And on this one, the screen don't tilt out like the y'all seen on the other one. This one flip out, so you could flip it all different kind of ways. They even got little fans you could put in here so it don't overheat. If you don't want to use the screen, you could just use the viewfinder. That little thing y'all saw in that one, that's the go in here. But yeah, man, it go 360 all the way around. Yeah, that's pretty much it, really. You got the on and off switch up top. You got the new record button. You got these little things. I usually take them off because sometimes they make noise when you're recording. So if you want, you could take those off. You could just use like a little knife. It's really like just a little key ring right here. Then you got the different settings. You got the proprietary, auto, standard. I think it's S. I'm not sure. And manual. And then you got 1, 2, and 3. You could set those if you want different like different, what's the word I'm looking for? Different memory recall. So like, say you use 800 ISO and your aperture is always at like 5. If you want to do like landscape, you could set that to this. So every time you go to this one, it's gonna go to that setting. Then you got the menu button. You got the new, I don't know if y'all could see the camera. This for photos and this for videos. I don't know what S and Q is. I'm gonna have to look that up. But yeah, it's pretty standard. Then this is the memory card slot. And these kind of close like this. I think this opens up. Yeah. Then you got the record if you want to plug a mic. And then you got the USB-C charger. And this one does have pass-through charging. So if your battery is dying, you could charge it and use it at the same time. On the other ones, it wouldn't allow you to do that. Then it's a mini HDMI and a headphone jack if you want to monitor your recordings. And then this is their new lens. They got a new flagship kit lens. This is 18 to 150. No, I'm sorry. This is 18 to 135. And you get, of course, you get the lens hood with it just to block out the sunlight. And then you also get the lens right here. You got your autofocus and manual, because this has a manual focus ring. So if you want to focus manually, you can. It's an E-mount lens, optical steady shot. This camera does have in-body stabilization, which is good, and I really like. Let me see. Let me try to. I don't know if I can balance this. I don't know. I don't even know if it's still record. Oh yeah, we still good. Yeah, this camera does have in-body stabilization, so it's pretty good, but this pretty nice. I ain't lying. I like this. I'm G'ing with this for real. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on. It's an ugly day outside today. It's not that good really to shoot, but we might go out, see what we could shoot, you know, just test it out, see how it works. But I am going to shoot a video tonight. I don't know what song I'm going to do, but I'm going to just do something random just because I ain't shot a video in forever, you know. So, but yeah, this is the Sony a6700. It cost me 19. Whoa, what it was? I want to give y'all the exact price on it. It was 19 something though. Let me see. It was $19.62 and 70 cents. So I would say if y'all looking for a good camera, if you do a lot of video and photos, this is a good camera to use. It's really their flagship hybrid. This one wasn't on sale for Black Friday, being that it's so good. It has the sensor from the FX3 for video, and it also has a lot of the capabilities and the AI chip from the A7C2. So I would say if you're really into video and photography, I would say this one is the best to use. I would say if you're a photography person, try going with like maybe the A7C2 or the A7C. Those are really good for photos. If you're into video and you do a lot of extended video, I would say maybe the FX3 or the FX30, being that they have the cooling system, so you can record a lot of like 4K long form content. It won't overheat. But I haven't heard anybody have a lot of problems with this one, as long as you're not shooting in like hot environments. Where I live at, it gets pretty hot and it's pretty humid, so I would say you would kind of want to base it on that, like based on where you live at. But I would say if you're looking for something that you want in between, like you do photo and video, this would be the best one to go for. So this is really the end of the review. This is the Sony a6700. I would say pick this up if you can. It's pretty a good camera, like I just said. So that's pretty it. We're gonna try to go out later. We're gonna get into some shooting. If not, I'm definitely gonna post some tonight, which will be good for the low light. But yeah, y'all just stay tuned. This is a review of Sony a6700. Mention was you could also register your products if you get them from Sony. Even if you get them from like other companies, you could go ahead and register with Sony, and you get points for everything you buy. So like say you spend $2, I mean you get 2 points for every dollar spent. 200 points on your first TV purchase, 200 points first camera purchase, 200 points on your first lens purchase, and you also get points for like following them on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok. So it's a good little reward system. If you want to go ahead and get something else, these points will count towards your purchase. You can see I have 5 points right here. If it'll focus, it's not even focusing. Hold up, I guess it's too close, but you can see right here, $5 in points. So every 100 points is $1. So I would say if you get it through them, go ahead and go to the product registration. They're gonna ask for proof of purchase. So what you do is you just go to your email and you just purchase you just upload your receipt and you'll be able to see it. But I just wanted to include that with y'all. I'm gonna do another video because I'm not gonna go out and do test shots today because it's kind of ugly, but I'm gonna do that video tonight, so I'm gonna tap in with y'all. This has been the review on the Sony A6700. Hope y'all enjoyed it. It's your boy Stu World. Peace.